In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a vendor credit in QuickBooks. Whether you're dealing with returns or simply need to adjust a vendor balance, recording these credits accurately is essential for maintaining clean and precise financial records. Now, let's dive in and step through each part of this process together. First, you'll want to click on Sign In. This is the gateway to accessing all your QuickBooks features and data, so make sure when you sign in, you're using the account that is authorized to manage vendor credits. Once you've clicked on Sign In, the next move is to choose QuickBooks Online from your list of options. QuickBooks Online is the cloud-based version of the well-loved accounting software, perfect for small businesses aiming for flexibility. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. Input your username and password, then keep things moving by clicking Continue. If you're someone who juggles multiple logins, consider keeping your credentials secure with a password manager, which can expedite this process when handling frequent sign-ins. After logging in, look to the top left of your screen for the New button. Click on it to begin creating a new transaction. This button is home to all new entries you want to make, from invoices to credits. Now from the drop-down menu, select Vendor Credit. This tells QuickBooks you want to record a credit to your vendor account, a useful action for returns, refunds, or any vendor billed corrections. Following this, add the vendor by filling out the vendor field. Double check for accuracy, since this ensures the credit is associated with the right party. If your vendor list is lengthy, utilize the search bar for efficient navigation. Next, it's time to add the relevant category. Categories in QuickBooks allow you to organize expenses and income within your books, so make sure you choose one that accurately matches the nature of your vendor credit. The subsequent step is to add a thorough description. This note is particularly useful if you ever revisit this transaction in the future for clarification. Capture the essence of why you're submitting this vendor credit. Proceed by entering the amount. Input the exact figure you are crediting back. Being meticulous here is crucial as it directly impacts your financial accounts. If the vendor credit relates to a specific customer, enter that in the customer field. This cross-references the credit with any client accounts involved, streamlining your records for any credit notes allocated to future jobs or projects. Finally, review everything to make sure it's all correct, then click Save and Close. This action finalizes your entry, updating QuickBooks with all the new data. And that's it, you've successfully entered a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. Remember, accuracy and clarity here not only ensure your accounts are correct, but also enable you to easily pull reports and maintain organized records. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.